If Yamaha actually brings this legendary off-road monster back, it could become one of the biggest motorcycle stories of the decade. But here's the twist. The truth is even more interesting than the rumors. Stay with me, because what's happening behind the scenes could change the future of big bore two strokes forever. The Yamaha 84090 isn't just another dirt bike, it's a legend built on raw power, brutal acceleration, and fearless simplicity. Riders who experienced the original machine still remember its explosive personality decades later. It wasn't polite, it wasn't forgiving, it demanded respect every single time you twisted the throttle. That's exactly why enthusiasts continue talking about it in 22CV. In an era filled with electronics, ride modes, and digital dashboards, the thought of a modern 8409D feels almost rebellious. Now let's talk about what's happening across the motorcycle industry. Yamaha has officially revealed major updates for its 27 off-road lineup, introducing significant improvements to machines like the ICE 250F and the ICE 4050FX. The company is clearly investing heavily in its off-road racing platform, improving engines, chassis, suspension, and rider comfort for the next generation. That tells us something important. Yamaha is not backing away from dirt bikes, it's pushing harder into the off-road world than ever before. At the same time, riders around the world continue demanding exciting lightweight motorcycles with character instead of complexity. Two strokes remain incredibly popular in hard enduro, vintage racing, and recreational trail riding. Manufacturers know nostalgia sells, but nostalgia alone isn't enough. Modern buyers also expect reliability, cleaner emissions, and better technology. That's exactly why the conversation around the 84090 keeps growing. Here's where reality separates itself from internet fantasy. As of today, Yamaha has not officially announced a production 27 840E. There are plenty of concept videos, artist renderings, and speculation online, but no confirmed factory launch exists. Anyone claiming the bike has already been unveiled simply isn't presenting verified information. What we do know is that Yamaha continues expanding and refining its off road lineup, leaving fans wondering whether an iconic revival could eventually fit into that strategy. If Yamaha ever decided to revive the 84090, imagine what modern engineering could accomplish. Picture a fuel injected two stroke designed to satisfy today's emissions standards while delivering the aggressive torque that made the original famous. Imagine electric start replacing the old kickstart ritual. Think about premium kite suspension soaking up brutal terrain, lightweight chassis technology borrowed from Yamaha's championship winning race bikes, and braking performance capable of matching today's toughest enduro competitions. That combination would create something completely different from the original while keeping its unmistakable spirit alive. The styling could become another massive selling point. Yamaha wouldn't need futuristic shapes or flashy gimmicks. Riders would instantly recognize classic racing blue plastics, bold graphics inspired by the legendary 8 series, minimal bodywork, and a purposeful off road stance that screams performance before the engine even starts. Sometimes less really is more, especially when you're honoring a machine with this much history. Performance expectations would naturally be sky high. Nobody expects the 8400D to compete directly with lightweight motocross bikes. Instead, enthusiasts imagine a motorcycle built for wide open trails, desert rides, technical climbs, and endless torque. A machine that rewards confidence and skill instead of electronic rider aids. That's exactly what makes the name IT 4090 so powerful. It represents pure mechanical excitement. Now let's move to the latest showroom situation because that's where many viewers have questions. Since Yamaha has not announced a production 2077 84090, there are currently no official showroom deliveries, master pricing, financing programs, factory color options, or waiting lists specifically for this motorcycle. Any dealership claiming to accept guaranteed factory orders should be approached carefully unless Yamaha makes an official announcement first. What you will find in Yamaha showrooms instead is the brand's updated 27 off road family, including refreshed competition models that showcase the newest engineering direction. Dealers are preparing for those motorcycles with announced pricing and scheduled availability, while enthusiasts continue asking the same question every week. Could Yamaha eventually surprise everyone with something much bigger? That's why the 84090 conversation refuses to disappear. Every new Yamaha off road announcement fuels another wave of speculation. Every updated engine sparks another debate. Every patent filing, every concept image, every interview with Yamaha engineers creates fresh excitement across motorcycle communities. Pause, the legend simply refuses to fade away. Maybe that's the greatest achievement of the 84090. Even without a confirmed comeback, it still dominates conversations decades after production ended. Very few motorcycles earn that kind of reputation. Most bikes become history. The 849D became mythology. If Yamaha eventually gives this legendary name a second life, expectations will be enormous. Fans won't accept an ordinary motorcycle wearing an iconic badge. They'll expect authentic character, unmistakable performance, and a riding experience worthy of one of the wildest off road machines ever built. That challenge won't be easy. But if any company understands the emotional connection riders have with legendary motorcycles, it's Yamaha. Until that official announcement arrives, the 2000 T7 Yamaha at 4000 T remains one of motorcycling's biggest what if stories. The rumors continue, the excitement keeps building, and riders everywhere continue hoping they'll one day hear that unforgettable sound of a giant Yamaha two stroke echoing through the trails once again. Whether it happens next year or several years from now, one thing is absolutely certain: the legend of the 4090 is far from over.